This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will install and start Fish now. Follow these first actionable steps. Use your package manager, apt, brew, or pacman to install Fish quickly because a packaged version keeps updates manageable. Once installed, set Fish as your default with chshs/usr/bin/fish so sessions open with your new shell. Then open a terminal and type Fish or start a new login to verify. This ensures your environment uses Fish features, like smart completions and simpler scripting, from the first shell. You customize and practice core workflows next. Learn why Fish feels faster. Run Fish config to open the web-based interface. Pick a theme, edit functions, and manage completions. This visual approach speeds discovery. Create scripts with functions. Write functions mcnd, command, end, then save with funcsave so changes persist. Use abbreviations and tab completion to reduce typing and watch live suggestions as you type. Once done, try common commands and tweak prompts to reinforce muscle memory, and you finish by configuring advanced options and knowing how to fix issues. Modify path with set uFish user paths /new/path $fish user paths to persist changes across sessions. If something breaks, debug with Fish D3 for detailed startup logs, and inspect functions using functions details to locate conflicts. To revert customizations, delete or back up ~. Config /fish, or remove specific saved functions with funcsave erase. Make sure to restart your terminal after changes. If problems persist, check environment variables and recent edits before broad resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.